Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Aadhaar card with your mobile number. Linking your Aadhaar to your mobile number is a vital step for accessing many online services and ensuring secure transactions. It allows you to receive one-time passwords for verification, which is essential for everything from banking to government benefits. This guide will walk you through the straightforward process, ensuring your identity is securely linked for seamless digital interactions. For initial linking or updating an unverified mobile number, visiting an Aadhaar enrollment center is the primary method. This ensures a secure process through biometric verification. You can conveniently book an appointment online through the Aadhaar website to minimize waiting times at the center. Remember, this physical visit is crucial for establishing the secure connection between your Aadhaar and mobile number. Once at the Aadhaar Center, you will need to obtain and accurately fill out an Aadhaar update form, specifically for mobile number changes. Next, provide your biometric details, like fingerprints, for authentication. Remember to submit a photocopy of your Aadhaar card and pay a nominal service charge of 50 rupees. After completing these steps, you will receive an acknowledgement slip containing a unique request number, which is essential for tracking your update. After submitting your request, the mobile number update typically takes between 5 and 10 working days to process. You can easily track the status of your application online using the unique request number provided on your acknowledgement slip. Once the update is complete, it is important to verify your linked mobile number on the official Aadhaar website by entering your Aadhaar number and receiving a one-time password for confirmation. This ensures your details are correctly updated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.